talk right now. Sing the alphabet with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Sing along, it's easy breezy. Learning's fun and oh so cheesy. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, hop all day long. G is for goat, munching on grass. H is for horse, running fast, fast, fast. Sing the alphabet with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Sing along, it's easy breezy. Learning's fun and oh so cheesy. I is for igloo, cool and cold. J is for jelly, sweet and bold. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, roar to the sky. M is for monkey, swinging so free. N is for nest, up in a tree. O is for octopus, under the sea. P is for pig, oink, oink, wee. Sing the alphabet with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Sing along, it's easy breezy. Learning's fun and oh so cheesy. Q is for queen with the crown so grand. R is for rabbit, hopping through the land. S is for sun, shining bright and warm. T is for train, chugging along the norm. U is for umbrella, keeping you dry. V is for van, driving fast as the sky. W is for whale, swimming deep and wide. X is for xylophone with notes that glide. Y is for yak with fur so thick. Z is for zebra with stripes so slick. We've reached the end, but don't you frown. Let's sing the alphabet all around.